Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Cambridge Maths. Today we are going to solve a question from mechanics, and this question belongs to paper 9709/45 for the session May June 25. Let's solve question number 5, which says a car of mass 1500 kg is traveling along a straight horizontal road. It is given that there is a constant resistance to motion. The engine of the car is working at 24 kilowatt while the car is traveling at a constant speed of 32 meter per second. The power is now increased to 28 kilowatt. For the acceleration of the find the acceleration of the car at the instant it is traveling at a speed of 36 meter per second. So the question is not difficult at all. First of all, we should know there are two information. One is there is a constant resistance to motion. First of all, we will have to find what is or how much is the resistance to motion, and we are going to apply the concept of the motion law of Newton. Let's start our writing. As it is moving along horizontal road, so this is the direction, and our concept is driving force minus resistance force is equal to mass into acceleration. Well, so driving force is, we know driving force means power over velocity, minus resistance is constant, so it will remain unchanged. And we are not ignoring the weight also, because sometimes students ask that why are we ignoring the resistance, resistance caused due to weight. Actually we don't ignore. Let's see what is it, mg sine 0 degree, because this is exactly along the horizontal road. Mg sine 0 degree is equal to mass into acceleration. Look, as it is traveling at a constant speed, so there is no acceleration at all. Well, and our power given is, what is the power given? First, 24 kilowatt. So let us write 24 kilowatt over velocity. Velocity was 32. 32. 24 kilowatt means 24,000, minus our resistance to motion, and sine 0 is 0, that's why it is 0. Hence our resistance to motion, if we divide 24,000 by 32, it is going to be 750 newton. So 750 newton is our constant resistance to motion. Then they have told us to find the acceleration. Now we are going to find acceleration. Let us write again, again the same concept, and it is moving horizontally forward. Driving force minus resistance to motion is equal to mass into acceleration. Well, or driving force is the same concept, power over velocity minus resistance to motion has already been found. We have already got that resistance to motion is constant, which is 750 newton. 750, and we are not ignoring weight also. Mg sine 0 degree is equal to mass of the car was 1500 kg. Yes, it is 1500 kg. So 1500 accelerate, 1500 into acceleration. Now we are going to substitute the values. Let us see, power is now how much? Power is now 28 kilowatt. So 28,000 over velocity is 36. Velocity is 36. So it is going to be 28,000 over or 28,000 velocity is given 36 minus 750 is equal to sin 0 is 0, so there is no necessity of writing this 1500 into acceleration. If we divide 28,000 by 36, let's not divide this. Let us simplify. It is going to be 36 is the denominator. If we multiply both of the quantity by 36, it is going to be 28,000 minus 750 into 36 is 27,000. 27,000 equal to 1500, or 15 can be transposed to the other side, equal to A. Or A is going to be, if we dissolve the two zeros from every side, from every quantity, it is going to be 280 minus 270 means it is 10. So 10 over 36 into 15. If we multiply 36 by 15, it is going to be 540. 540. 500 as well as 40. 500, I mean 540. Hence, if we divide 1 by 54, it is going to be, let us do the division. 1 divided by 54. 1 divided by 50 significant figures, it is going to be 0.185. 185 meter per second square. So that's all about the solution to this part of the question. They have told us to find acceleration, but as the resistance to motion was constant and it was missing, that's why first of all we have found the quantity or amount of resistance to motion. Let's move on to the immediate next question. The next question says, it is given instead that the resistance to motion of the car is 340 plus 4 V Newton when the speed of the car is V meter per second. When the engine is working at 20 kilowatt, the car is traveling at a constant speed. So we are going to find the constant speed. We are going to apply the same concept, and the direction of the car is still same. That means horizontal, straight to the horizon. Then our concept is driving force minus resistance force is equal to mass into acceleration. So driving force is again the same formula, power over velocity minus resistance to motion is given as 340 plus 4b. Instead of plus, let us write minus 4b. And you know the resistance due to weight is mg sine 0 degree, sine 0 degree. And as the car is traveling at a constant speed, there is no acceleration, means it is 0. So power given is, power is 20,000. So let us write 20,000 over velocity is to be obtained, and this is 340 minus 4v is equal to 0. If we multiply every quantity by v, it is going to be negative 4b square. If we, okay, negative 4v square minus 340V plus 20,000, 20,000. If we multiply every quantity by V equal to 0. If we divide every quantity by negative 4, it is V square minus 8 for 32, so it is 85. 85 into V, and it is going to be not minus, it is plus, this is minus, it is 4 5s are 20, so it is 5,000 is equal to 0. Now if we expand this, then v square is equal to v square plus 125 v minus 40v minus 5,000 is equal to 0. If we simplify more, I mean if we factorize, it is going to be v plus 125, then v minus, here 40 is common, so 40 is equal to 0. Hence our velocity is equal to 40 meter per second. Now you may ask a question, why are we avoiding these information, I mean first factor? Because we can write here, since it is speed, constant speed, so speed can never be negative since v is greater than 0. Okay, the speed was positive, actually speed is never negative, so our velocity is more than 0, hence we have chosen the positive value of v. And that's all about the solution to this question, and I believe that you have understood it well. Let me show the previous page again. Here 0.18, no, 0.0, sorry, I made one mistake over here. It is 0.0, 0.0. So let us write 0.0185 up to three significant figures. So these are the solution to the different parts of this question, which is very easy and simple. You can do it yourself even. So thank you all for being with me. Fi amanillah.